Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making dirty rice with shrimp. You will need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 pound of mild Italian sausage, 1/2 pound of shrimp, 3 cups of parboiled rice, 1 onion, 1 green bell pepper, 1/2 red bell pepper, 2 ribs celery, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, 2 teaspoons of Creole seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of Creole seasoning to your shrimp, then mix until each piece has been well coated. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then add your olive oil. Now add your shrimp and allow them to cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, remove your shrimp from the pan and set them aside until later. To the same pan, add your ground beef and Italian sausage. Allow the meat to brown for 5 minutes. Now add the onion and garlic and mix well. Add the red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and celery and mix well. Now season with your salt, black pepper, paprika, thyme, cayenne pepper, and the remaining Creole seasoning. Now add the rice, then pour in the chicken broth and mix until well combined. Reduce your temperature to medium-low, cover, and allow it to simmer for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 10 minutes, add the shrimp, mix well, and allow it to simmer for an additional 3 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul food cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.